everyone here on Stainedglasscuts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, solid brass chain. I've covered several other things you can make with brass rod in my video, how to make loops with metal rods. Check it out. All right, your first question is, why would you want to? You can buy solid brass chain. It's nice. It's very uniform. Here's a nice hanger made from it. But there's some drawbacks. One thing is, trying to find it, you might end up having to buy a 100-foot roll or pay way too much. Or maybe you just need one hanger. I'm going to show you how to make a single hanger from brass rod. I've started by cutting 7 3-inch pieces of brass rod from my 3/32 rod. I've already filed the ends smooth, and I've got a 3/4 inch brass O-ring. I'll be using my combination 7 and 9mm bail making jewelry pliers, my flat nose jewelry pliers with smooth jaws, and my ridged pliers. These are some grazing pliers. First, I'll take one of my rods, and using the 7mm, which is the smaller end of my bail making pliers, and I'm going to grab it right at the end. Now I'm going to rotate the rod and the pliers to make a 7mm inch loop. You want to bring that loop up tight until it just touches. Then I'm going to rotate my pliers all the way around as far as you can, and then bend the rod backwards until it's lined up with the loop you've just made. Then I'll take my flat pliers and I will make any adjustments as necessary to create a nice loop. Then I'm going to repeat on the other end, but this time I'm going to bend my loop in the opposite direction, making sure that it's lined up. We'll make our second loop. Again, bring the loop all the way until it engages with the rod. Rotate your pliers all the way around as far as you can. Take a good bite, making sure it's straight with this one. I'll bend it back until we're lined up. Got a little bit of a bend in there. I'm just going to take my smooth jawed pliers and give it a little twist, straighten that out, and there you have your first link. I've completed this link making process 6 times, and now we have our 7 links. Next, we'll join the links together. And once we have them all joined together, we'll take our ridged pliers and, making sure that you've got the link evenly spaced, we'll squeeze them until they make contact. And you just work your way down the line, squeezing each link until you have them secure. When I get to the end, I'm going to put my brass ring on. Again, lining up, squeeze the ring tight, and there you have it. There's your 12-inch hanging chain. Hope this video was helpful. The materials and tools shown in this video are available via the links below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.